Hey there! Welcome back to Foods and Natural Benefits, where we dive deep into simple yet powerful ways to boost your health naturally. Today, we're talking about something that's been used for centuries, but is now getting the attention it truly deserves. Turmeric water. Stick around for the next few minutes because we're going to explore how just one simple ingredient can make a world of difference to your health. Benefit 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric, the golden spice, is a staple Ayurvedic medicine. But beyond the kitchen, turmeric has been celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, is where the real magic happens. And when you mix turmeric with water, it turns into a simple yet potent health tonic. One of the biggest benefits of drinking turmeric water is its anti-inflammatory power. Chronic inflammation can lead to various diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Curcumin in turmeric works by blocking molecules that cause inflammation. Imagine reducing joint pain, muscle soreness, and even the risk of chronic illnesses just by sipping on turmeric water every day. Whether you're dealing with a sore back or tired muscles after a long day, turmeric water might be your new favorite natural remedy. Benefit 2. Powerful antioxidant. Turmeric is also a powerful antioxidant. We encounter free radicals daily, from pollution, processed foods, and stress, which can damage our cells. Turmeric helps neutralize these harmful molecules. In fact, research has shown that curcumin not only neutralizes free radicals, but also stimulates your body's own antioxidant defenses. Benefit 3. Boosts digestion. Next up is digestion. If you struggle with bloating or indigestion, turmeric water can help. It stimulates bile production, which helps in breaking down food, improving digestion, and reducing discomfort. It's a natural way to keep your gut happy and healthy. And it's not just about comfort. A well-functioning digestive system helps your body absorb more nutrients, keeping you energized throughout the day. Benefit 4. Boosts immunity. In these times, we're all looking for ways to boost our immunity, right? Turmeric has antimicrobial and immune-boosting properties, making it a fantastic addition to your daily routine, especially during flu season. By drinking turmeric water, you're giving your immune system the support it needs to fight off infections. Benefit 5. Detoxifying and cleansing. Turmeric is also known for its detoxifying benefits. Drinking it with warm water helps flush out toxins from your body, supporting your liver function and cleansing your system. It's like hitting the refresh button on your body every day. How to make turmeric water. Okay, so now that we've covered the benefits, let me show you how simple it is to make turmeric water. All you need is half a teaspoon of organic turmeric powder and a glass of warm water. Stir it well and add a pinch of black pepper to enhance the absorption of curcumin. Black pepper contains piperine, which can increase curcumin's bioavailability by up to 2,000%. If you want to boost the flavor or add even more benefits, feel free to add lemon juice for extra vitamin C, or a dash of honey for sweetness and antibacterial properties. Now, when's the best time to drink this magical tonic? I recommend starting your day with it on an empty stomach. This way, you kickstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, and give your body a hydration boost first thing in the morning. Warnings and precautions. Like anything, moderation is key. While turmeric water is generally safe, if you have any medical conditions, especially related to the gallbladder or stomach, consult your doctor before making it a daily habit. Excessive amounts can lead to stomach upset, so stick to half a teaspoon per day. And there you have it, a simple, powerful way to improve your health with just one ingredient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Have you tried turmeric water before? Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.